Hello guys, so today I will tell you how you can install Python in your system so that you can start coding. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel, and let's start it. First open the Google and type Python and go to this link, open it, and from here you need to click on downloads and click here. Whatever the latest version of Python is available when you are downloading it, and after it is downloaded just click on it and open it, and you will see this window. First check these both options and click here, and you can choose whatever you want to install. Here I am giving you the default options. You can use it like this, or you can choose things and choose the directory and click on install. Wait for some time, just be patient. Once the setup is successfully installed, you need to close it, press the window button, type command prompt and check if the Python is installed by this command python ---- version, and you will see the version of Python which you have installed, and if it is there then it means you are good to go and you are officially a coder now. So thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Bye.